Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Basha Second Innings. First of all, thank you to all my subscribers that I have crossed 100 yesterday. Thank you once again to all my subscribers and request all the subscribers and others to give me the support to continue in this effort. Today, I will try to explain what are all that firefighting equipments portable and which class of fires they have to be used. The fire is classified into 6 classes: A, B, C, D, E and F. A is flammable solid like wood, paper, cardboard, etc. B is the flammable liquid, maybe kerosene, petrol, etc. C is the flammable gas like LPG and other thing. D is the metal like lithium and all. E is the electrical. This include computers and allied products. F is the fat frying, fire in the fat for frying the chips, etc. That is used mostly in the big hotels or the food item manufacturers. That is not common. However, we will talk about remaining all. These portable fire extinguishers, also known as the first aid fire extinguishers. First aid fire extinguishers means if you see the fire, within minutes you can able to put it off. For that you should need a fire extinguisher for small fires and the fire which is just started and can be brought under control using this fire extinguisher. That is why these are also known as the first aid fire extinguishers. Now let me explain. For class A, that is for paper and wood, we should have only the water. Water should not be used for any other kind of class of fire. Then for liquid, flammable liquids, we should use mechanical foam. Chemical foams are now banned in India and also all over the world. We have to use only the mechanical foam for this. Like that, mechanical foam can be used for class A and class B, means solid solid papers and wood, and then for the flammable liquids. Then comes the dry chemical powder. This dry chemical powder can be used for A, B, C, D and E. Means this can be used for class A wood and paper, class B flammable liquid, class C is a flammable gas and class D is the metal like lithium, etc. Class E is the electrical. So this is DCP, dry chemical powder, is almost common to A, B, C, D, E. Then comes the CO2, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide can be used for B and E. Carbon dioxide cannot be used for A, C, D and F. Then comes the wet chemical. Wet chemical can be used for class A fire and the class F fire, that is the fatty substances fire, where they can big frying pans are used for frying the chips and all in the food manufacturing industries. So this is the brief introduction to the fire extinguishers. It should be available. I am giving the matrix of this whatever I had given, class of fire and the fire extinguisher to be used. Remember once again that these are all the first aid fire fighting equipments. Means when you observe the fire and within 1 to 2 minutes before spreading of the fire, you can use this effectively. The moment the fire catches, that will take the control and you have to call the outside agency like fire brigade and all. So people should be trained in the department and the suitable fire extinguisher should be given. And the mock drill or the training to the people concerned should be given at least once in a month. And you may have to empty those things, you may have to create some fire and then take the fire drills, etc. So this will be very helpful, and you can contain the fire if you see it within few minutes of the start of the fire. Thank you very much for listening, and I had given you the index and also the fire extinguisher photographs. Thank you very much for listening. Till we meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, see you.